guys, today I'm going to show you a successful advert on Facebook, and one of the main reasons that it's a successful advert is it's not a small business advert. This is not the kind of advert you should be putting out. This is a scam advert, right? So basically you've got last days, autumn sale, 50% off, fast shipping in the UK, and you've got a cool little video. So let's have a little look. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so you turn on the lamp and it gives you a nice sensory water effect. And these are good, they're enjoyable, they're very, very fun. I like sensory things because I have Asperger's. So as you can see here, 7.7k likes, we've got 1.6k comments, loads and loads and loads of comments. Everybody really, really likes this product, right? So let's go to the website. So at the top we've got 3 hours, 40 minutes, 50% off right at the top. This is a scrolling down bar, and what this does here is this is the winter sale, and we're already in the 5th month of the year, so they haven't even been bothered to update the website. So this basically will spawn itself whenever anyone comes to the website, and it will basically create in someone the fear of missing out, or FOMO. And basically what this does is it makes someone, it's prompting them to actually buy the product immediately, and they can get like 20% off if they get multiple lamps and everything, and it's like, oh, that's a big like extra 40% off. That's a big cut down, right? So how much is this lamp actually worth? Well, you can get it on Amazon for $12.99. So this is the wonderful world of sort of scammy advertising. You ever see anything on Facebook and it looks like a good deal, just look it up on Amazon. You can find these things on eBay. You can get these for a lot cheaper than $12.99. So when it comes down to it, even if the marketing looks really, really professional and nice, and they've done a good job with the website, it doesn't mean that this is the good price for your product. So when you see something like 50% off, 75% off, just remember that is there to trigger you into buying something, and there's usually a good reason for it. Now, a lot of people complain about the quality of the products that they receive from Facebook. And like for example, let's say I was to buy this. If you have a little look, it says here frequently returned, so there are problems with it. It's the same product. That's the thing. And a large amount of these people just go onto Facebook and they just sell the product like this. It's like, I could do this really, really easily. I could literally in about, if I spent an entire week doing this, I could probably make around £20,000 a year just from flogging products like this. And it's absolutely despicable, but Facebook really should be dealing with this and looking into the companies that are putting these kind of adverts out. But they're the people that are supporting Facebook at the moment, so that's why I think they're avoiding dealing with this. Anyway, hope that's been helpful to you. You have a lovely day, and thanks for joining me. Bye!